Lipton Tea, Haputale, Sri Lanka. Location: Lipton Seat is a historic viewpoint perched on a hill near the town of Haputale in Sri Lanka's renowned tea country. From the lookout, you can see across vast stretches of emerald tea plantations, rolling hills, and patchwork valleys that define the Haputale district. Historical significance: the site is named after Sir Thomas Lipton, the founder of Lipton Tea. During the colonial era, Lipton and other tea barons used this high point to survey their expansive tea estates. The location has since become a symbol of Sri Lanka's tea heritage and a popular stop for visitors seeking a connection to the country's plantation history. How to access: the usual route is by road from Haputale. After a short drive, visitors hike a brief, gentle path to the actual lookout. The ascent is not steep, but a comfortable pair of shoes is advisable. The area can be misty and cool, so a light jacket is practical year-round. The view and experience: on clear days, the summit offers sweeping panoramic views of endless tea rows that seem to stretch into the horizon. You can observe the geometric patterns of the plantations, the hills folding into each other, and glimpses of distant peaks. The mood can change with the weather, with mist weaving through the leaves and sunrays piercing the canopy, creating moments of tranquil beauty perfect for photographers and nature lovers. Best times to visit: early morning around sunrise is particularly magical, as the light casts long shadows and highlights the contours of the landscape. Late afternoon can also be rewarding as the sun begins to descend and the valleys glow with golden light. Harvest season adds color contrast with ripe tea bushes. Practical tips: wear sturdy, comfortable walking shoes. The path can be uneven in sections. Bring a light jacket or sweater. It can get cool and breezy at height. Carry water and snacks, especially if you're combining the visit with other nearby sites. Bring a camera or smartphone for landscape photography. The viewpoint offers wide-angle opportunities. Respect the heritage site and local communities. Dispose of waste properly and stay on designated paths. Nearby attractions: Lipton Seat is part of the broader Haputale Tea Country Circuit, which includes Ella Rock, Ravana Falls, and the Demadara 9-arch bridge. If time allows, consider combining these stops to experience the region's diverse landscapes and cultural highlights.